Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Shanara Vlogs. Shokher. Hope you're all well. And look what's just arrived in the post. Live plants. I've ordered a few different things. I don't quite know what this one is, so let's go and have a look. So this is the parcel that I just received, and let's have a look and see what's inside. Okay, this looks really interesting. Oh, look at all that. Oh my days. Okay, so we'll just move that over to one side, and look at this. Naga ghost chili. I do remember ordering some naga plants, but you know what, I ordered that much I lose track. So, and sometimes I'll just be looking at something and I don't always order it, so to be fair, I forget what I've ordered. Anyway, this was a really nice surprise this morning. And let's have a look and see how we open this box. Okay, so it's got these tabs here. Let's open the tabs. And oh, look at that. Look at that. How well are these packaged? And if you have a look, there's room for 3 more. So guys, if you want to sell plants online, you need to look at investing in some of these boxes. I mean, that's amazing. Those plants just fit so nicely in there, so snug. And even if I stand it up, hopefully they shouldn't fall out. No, that's amazing. That is just really amazing. And the plants are so healthy. Look at that, so healthy. Yeah, the 3 naga plants. I'm not really sure why I ordered 3 naga plants. I've already got I think 3 or 4. I was actually looking for some chili plants, but never mind, I have them now. I love naga plants. You can never have enough, really. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. Look at that. So, oh wow, look at that. It's just closed up, like, that's just, oh god, that just clipped in there. And look at that, it's like you know, one of those tin pencil cases that you can buy. It's like that, but I'm going to open it now. It wasn't closed so tightly when I got it. There we go. And I'm going to leave this open because I need these plants to get some light. Oh dear, right, there we go. So I need to get these plants planted up ASAP, so let's go ahead and do that now. I just need to go and get myself some plant pots. See you in a minute.